Hello, hope you're okay. Mrs. Wild here. So today we're looking in maths at the introduction to the column method. This method should change your life in maths. Okay, so you're going to need, guys, pencil, some paper, and you're going to need a ruler as well, because we're going to be doing a little bit of pictorial representation as well to introduce it over to column. Okay, it's going to be amazing. You guys have got this, all right? So if you're watching this, you're probably thinking, column, surely that should have been in year 3. Well, it should have been, but unfortunately, you were in lockdown when that was meant to be taught. So we are teaching it for the first time in year 4. If you've got the pack with you, that'd be great. You can work through the pack. That's not a problem. If you haven't got the pack, you're going to see it all on the slides anyway. So don't stress too much. Okay, guys. So here is my screen, and today we are introducing the column method. So the first thing I want you to do, these number sentences that are on my board do not need any working out apart from in your brain. You don't need to write anything down for these. You need to see if you can solve them. So you're using your knowledge of your number facts. So knowing 5 add 3 is 8, so 5 tens add 3 tens must be 8 tens. It's using all of those things. So I want you to pause the video now and come back when you have completed these. See you soon. Why, hello, and welcome back. Oh, my board's turned off. We'll come back over here for a second until my board decides to turn back on. So we're looking at the first one, guys. So the first one, we had 56 add 30. Well, it's 56 add 3 tens. I know that 3 tens more than 50 is 80, and my ones stay the same, so it's 86. 86. Okay. Excuse the writing, guys. I'm just waiting for my board to kick in. There we go. That should have worked now. Let's come round here. Perfect. So now I've got 82 add 5. Well, I've got nothing added to my tens. 2 add 5 is 7. So it is, moving my board. Come on, board. It is 87. Let me just, having a bit of an issue, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm just going to pause my video and I'll be back to you in a second. Okay, I think I might have fixed it. Let me have a look. Let me see if this works. So we have got 82 add 5. 2 add 5 is 7, so it is 87. Okay, 86 take away 5, nice and easy. 6 take away 5 is 1, still got the 8 tens, so it's 81. 71 take away 50. Well, I know that I've got 7 take away 5 is 2, so 7 tens take away 5 tens is 2 tens, and I've still got my ones the same, 21. Okay, I hope you managed to do those two. So now is my favourite bit. We are looking, how could we solve this? Well, we could solve it using our place value counters, but I don't know about you, I don't have any place value counters at home, so I'm going to use my pictorial representation. In year 4, we use counters because when we go up to thousands, we don't want to be drawing 1,000 squares. We just want to be drawing counters to represent the numbers. So I've got the number 154. So I've got 100, 5 tens, and 4 ones. Perfect. And I am adding 100, 2 tens, and 5 ones. Now we always start with our ones. I'm going to say that over and over and over again. You're going to get sick of hearing me saying it. Always start with your ones. So we start with the ones. 4 add 5 is 9. If I was really struggling, I could count them. I've got 5 tens add 2 tens is 7 tens. And I've got 100 add 100 is 200. So my answer is 279. Okay, that is my pictorial representation. But guys, you can do this using column. But to do column, guys, you've got to know your number facts to 10. You do. You've got to know how to add and subtract numbers under 10 super quick and apply them to tens, hundreds and thousands. So I've got it here. We're going to have a go. Can you see? I've got hundreds, I've got tens, and I've got ones here. I then make sure my digits go underneath the correct column. And I put my line in here to show my answer. So you put each digit in the correct column, and we always start working out with our ones. So let's fill it in here. On your sheets of paper, if you can, write HTO. That stands for hundreds, tens, and ones. You are then filling it in. We have 100, 5 tens, and 4 ones. And we have got 100, 2 tens, and 5 ones. And we are adding them together. Always start with your ones. Good. 4 and 5 is 9. Now, I don't want to hear you saying 5 add 2 is 7. It's 7. It's not 7. It's in your tens column. It's 5 tens add 2 tens is 7 tens. And 100 add 100 is 2 hundreds. You've got to get that bit in, otherwise you're going to be saying the wrong things. So you've managed to work that one out, 279, just like the previous. So let's have a look at this one. You can pause the video and do it pictorially if you want, or you can just continue watching me. So I've got 100, I've got 2 tens, and I've got 3 ones, 123. I am adding 2 hundreds, 7 tens, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 tens, and 4 ones. Brilliant. I always start with my ones, superstars. I've got 3 add 4 is 7. I've got 2 tens add 7 tens is 9 tens. And I've got 100 add 200 is 300. My answer is 397. That's how you do it pictorially, guys. Let's have a look now on doing it column. You need hundreds, you need tens, you need ones. Let's put our numbers in the right column. 123 add 274. Always start with a 1, superstar. Okay, we have got 7. 2 tens add 7 tens is 9 tens. 100 and 200 is 300. Gives me my answer. And I've managed to work it out. I hope you're managing to keep up, guys. Don't forget you can pause the video at any time if you need to. Ooh, what has changed here? We have got a take away. So it's really important that you check your symbols, guys. So this time, I'm going to draw my first number, 200, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens, and 5 ones. Okay, we are now going to take away, which means we are getting rid of these numbers. We are taking them away. So I always start with my ones. I'm taking away 1 1. Because look, there it is, tells me that. I'm taking away 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm taking away 100. So now I've got 100, 2 tens, and 4 ones left. 124. Okay, so I've managed to solve it that way. Let's have a look at our column. I've got 285, take away 161. Always start with my ones. 5 take away 1 is 4. 8 take away 6, 8 tens, take away 6 tens. I know it's 2 tens. 200 take away 100 is 100. 124. You're doing really well, guys. Let's keep going. Another subtract. Okay, 314. 300, 110, 4 ones. Take away 102. So I'm taking away 2 ones. I'm taking away no tens. And I'm taking away 100. And I have got 200s, 110, and 2 ones left. So I have got the answer 212. Let's check it now with our column. So now we've got 314 set out very clearly to see. 102, start with my ones. 4 take away 2 is 2. 1 take away nothing is still 1. And 300 take away 100 is 200. 212. And if I look back, It's exactly the same answer, just set out in a different way. So, oh no, that was close. I hope you didn't see all those answers. So what I want you to do now is I want you to pause the video and I want you to complete my part made up column method independently, okay? So I've already put in some of the digits that I needed. I'll make it a little bit bigger for you to see. There we go. Move me away. There we go. Here we are. Have a go. Pause the video and come back for your answers. Pause. Welcome back. Let's have a look. See if you managed to complete them. I hope you paid close attention to your symbols. Lots of people go wrong just by doing the wrong thing. Okay, here are your answers. We have 133. We have 288. And we have 534. But it's not just about getting the right answer, guys. It's about checking you're working out. So did you fill these incorrectly? Did you place things in the right area? Have you managed to fill it in? If you've not marked it yet, you can pause the video and you can do it from there. Okay? Right, I'm going to stop sharing my screen and I'm going to come back round to my desk. Okay, I hope you managed to do that really well and I hope you've enjoyed it and it's worked okay. Tomorrow, you're going to be looking a bit further into column, just going through it again and again, but you're doing a great job, guys. Please remember, you are awesome. I'll see you later.